Can I read the story? All right, thank you. The following is a story about Rabbi Shlomo Carlebach that I like to read it because it has a lot of meaning to do with Hanukkah. And that's the story. Reb Aaron Roth, known as Reb Arele, was deathly ill. It was the end of the 1940 in Mea Shearim, section of Jerusalem, and the doctor said that the heart failure has given him only a few more hours to live. Do you ever hear the story? But it was also Hanukkah, and the Rebbe baked the shames, which is the assistant in the synagogue, to prepare the Chanukiah. As you could see, we have a Chanukiah. And so, for him to light the Hanukkah candle. When the time came, however, he was too weak to get up. So his disciples, his students, brought the Chanukiah to his bedside and put the light into his hand, bending his finger around the lit candle. And he said, "Help me to sit up," he said. I must not light lying down. I want to stand up as I light the Chanukiah. They gingerly helped him to sit upright. His finger trembled pitifully, trying to hold the candle. But he could not light the Chanukiah. "Let me at least sit on the side of the bed with my feet on the floor," he begged. They held him beneath his armpits while he stumbled into sitting position. He said he must wash his hand now, and they brought him his water. And now he asked for his kaftan, his coat, he whispered. They wound up along and stepped into all his garments. The shtreimel, he said, the hat that he was wearing. "In honor of this mitzvah, it may well be my last mitzvah," he said. "See whether you can get my body to stand up," he said. He didn't even want to sit. He wanted to stand to do the mitzvah of lighting Hanukkah candle. They stood him up, propped him like a corpse. The light of the Chanukiah, his lips moved with his bracha, and his Hasidim moved his hand to the wick. The wick that we use. He lit the Chanukiah, and then Reb Arele began dancing. For 5 hours, Rabbi Arele danced that night, and the next night, and the next night.
There's nothing there.
It's now for you to think what happened to Rabbi Arele. That's the miracle of Hanukkah. Hanukkah can do many things, even though Hanukkah is not from the Torah. It's from our rabbis that we have the miracle of Hanukkah, that is Second Temple period, and I told you all the stories, how important it is. Now, with your permission, I would like to give everyone a little sufganiyot and some drinks. Stephanie, can you help me? We have to have 2 blessings. I don't know if we have enough for everybody. There's a lot more where it's coming from. Okay, so we have sufganiyot. It's called sufganiyot. It's all broiled or fried in oil, special oil, for everyone to enjoy Hanukkah. Hold on to the plate. There are 2 blessings that we're going to say. Please do not eat. I said 2 blessings. Let's just say the blessing. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם שהכל נהיה בדברו. You may eat. I don't want to, because I see you're really so exciting to eat so fast.